All right, guys, let's get past this risk disclosure disclaimer here. This talk is intended for educational purposes only. It reflects our opinions and is based on our best judgment, but no warranty is given or implied as to their accuracy. Past performance does not guarantee future performance, and no investment or trading advice whatsoever is implied by our commentary, coverage, or charts. Thanks for joining us this evening. I just had one piece I wanted to share. Nothing new. Things I've already been sharing here in the think tank. If you've been joining us, it's going to be the range and SPY, right? So 263 as the high. I know Mario shared a weekly time frame chart. I'm sure you'll be taking us through that, Mario, showing the importance of 273. So another reference point to have on your chart, definitely. And you can see we're kind of stalled out in that area. Mm-hmm. So have that on your chart, but be aware of the range at play here. And this was the same as shared by Bank of America Merrill Lynch. Shared this in the think tank a few days ago. Should still be in the topic section if you missed it. Highly recommend reviewing this. Basically what we're already talking about here, similar levels. They have some upside targets to work with based on Fibonacci and some MAs as well. So things to keep an eye on. That's about it for me, Mario. If you want to go ahead and take over.
Those are fibs. Yeah, those are fibs. Yep. Okay. I just want to make sure that I don't miss so share and.
Hey, Mario, before you get started, when it brings up the toolbar, you should be able to go and bring out the chat independently, because you always, if you want it out.
Yeah, because I'm here, like find participants. I can see that one now. So, but I don't see oh, I see the chat. Alt H. By the way, Alt H. Okay, got it.
See the chat now?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Now you can ask me whatever you want, and I promise I'll read. So guys, that was the story. I don't know if you missed it, but I was talking to Kyle about Facebook, and I was so pissed at the close that it was so volatile, because I positioned myself in here at the 172. I started buying formation, and I moved my stop when we came to new highs, and they shook me out right here, 173.10. Right? You see, it's a little lower than the prior hammer that we have right here. So I think I moved my stop too fast. So that cost me like 20% in profits. And then it shoot up to 175. And I was fearing the worst, that it was going to go to 178, which would have made me like really, really mad. Anyways, that's the target for tomorrow. So let's do some spiders. I've been working with that 273 basically off the weekly, and I've been looking at this. This is the area. It was at 173. Now we've been doing a little bit more volume that right there. Let me get my annotation tool. What's the color that I use? Let me use some yellow. We won't see it there. Use some green today. So I was looking at this zone basically. So we coming from here. There's nothing to the left. Nothing. We start having some trouble right here in this area. That's a 260. So I played to 274 right there. That's what we're building. We're building a lot of volume right here. So this one is a big one now, 274. We will have something in the 280s and then off to the races to 290, right? So that's what we're playing basically. Okay. And just let me know if there's any questions, Kyle, so we can move faster.
Sure.
So when you come to the daily, this is basically the same stuff that we're talking about. So I put the stop right here at 273, which is actually 3637. We have this formation right here, and that's when we gave up. So that was actually, it'll be, again, guys, is a point. 273, 275, it's less than 1%, right? So don't get too crazy about it. So basically that's what we're doing right here. So what we have is, yesterday I was looking for the 273 to fail. We did fail. I was expecting something like a rejection from this. So continuation should have been under today's low. It never triggered. right? Although if you were watching what I was doing at the open, I did try to short, and I shorted and I closed at the low, thank God. And then it just another rally. So where we're sitting right here is pretty simple. For tomorrow, 275, we just break out, and that's it. We play the highs, and we got this two. I don't think we need to go as low as 276, right? So here's an hourly chart that I use a lot, and this is what I post for you guys every day. And basically, I'll be looking at 271 as support, right? I don't want to go in lower. Look what happened yesterday when we broke the 273. That was this is 900 points in Dow. I don't know how many points is in SPY, but I know it's a lot. But it's like 7 points. So I understand that 900 points for me, like graphically, I try to thinking like in my mind, I know that 900 points in the Dow, that's like a lot. So like for me, like 10 points in SPY, I don't feel it that much. So for me, that was 900 points. So that's what we have. And then we recovered today. So this pretty much where we are. Structure is the same. Basically, we're dealing with this bigger time frame now, bigger range. So we out of the small range that we were trading before. Actually, I should be taking all of these off, but I'm gonna keep them right there. So my target is 280 that we just discussed, and then up to it raises to 290. So it's the same as what we talk in the right here. You see, 275, 280, 290. So that's what it is. Now, this actually coincides with what Kyle just showed us from Bank of America Research, right? And we were having this discussion, and I don't know how many of you guys know about Fibonacci's or whatever, right? And I'm just gonna play what I think I know, which is basically you come from here, you come right here, and then you measure the retracement. So according to those numbers, we are like at 30% retracement, right? So if we play just by fibs, we should expect something like this to happen, right? That's the fibs. The higher we go, like to 50%, then the less possibilities that we make a new low, right? So in that case, we will be looking for something like probably like this, okay? But what is really important is that we look at this 290. This 290 is gonna be key, absolutely key. Until we go and close over 292, I don't think the bears are dead. I don't care what everybody thinks. I'm just going by the chart and the volume, what the volume is telling me, okay? So it's very clear right here. That's my area. This is when I start thinking like, okay, I'm full long. I'm putting all longs, not a problem. Right here, okay? For now, I can play momentum all up into whatever they make me take my profits, 280, 290. Once we go over, we good, okay? So that'll be my sign of to be bullish to the upside, right? And then we come in here and we were waiting for the pullback. This is what we discussed the last time, right? We also discussed this one in this meeting. We said that what we wanted was something like this. We touched the 20 MA and we wanted a pullback, right? And then to buy again. So a lot of stocks did this. If you have any names that you know did that, we can check it, because last time I showed you the T-6, which was the bottom information that we studied right here and back into the MA, right? But today we can study the next one, which is like a kind of a W pattern, and we blast off. So I know there's some trades that we took that had this pattern, okay? So let's move on and let's start scanning, guys. So let's go. Anything in particular?
XOM, let's get that oil.
Looking good. That's a beat shape. That's a beat shape, right? So what do we have for this one? For this one, I have nothing in the monthly, nothing in probably something in the 40s right here, 38, 40. So you see my line right there. That's the 40 entry. And right. I'm not sure. Do you post it? Do you post 40?
Yeah.
The idea, right? So we up 10%. Yeah, we up 10% on that one. So this is what we're playing. It was not perfect, or what I like to see, what I like to call perfect, right? But pretty much what we have is a extension from the 20 MA. So once we came back and we did this, this is like the, I don't want to say is a cup and handle, because it's not, right? The cup and handle would require more time and stuff like that. So this is not a cup and handle. You can call it whatever you want. This is just a failure to make a new low, right? Changing trend. And now what we have here is moving averages are starting to move. So we have a target at 47, right?
Got it.
Plain and simple. Not much to see right there as far as formation. Okay. Now what's going to be interesting, I've been bringing this one to your attention. So hold a second. I did it last time. Here. No, it's not that one. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me, because I thought I had it fixed. And what I need is this. Look at that. This is what happens, right? So we did have the formation. This is this accumulation during March. So we can see that there was like some buyers in the 36, and then we have some buyers in the 41. So now what we're dealing is, once we go over 44, 46, which I think we are about to hit, right? We go out of the value zone. So we go into price discovery. What I expected to happen is that we should go probably up until here, which is like 53, right?
Okay.
But I have this moving average, which is the 50, if I'm not mistaken. So that may prove to be stop number. Stop number one as far as the targets. So watch the 48. Okay. So XOM, if you are an XOM, that's cool. The other one, oil, that I was looking to, I have some exposure. It's Occidental. You're gonna see that is a bottom information, better bottom information. So what I'm expecting on this one is this, I got it really aggressively, and I'll show you why I got it that aggressively. But what I'm looking for is over 16. So basically over today's high, almost trigger. Actually, it triggered at the close. That's why I don't like those late day rallies, right? So it's just triggered, and my target should be into the 20s, at least 19, 14. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's 4 points, so that's like 20% that we can have. And for this one, I'm going to show you the other charts so you can see the pattern that I was looking. Look at this, same accumulation, and right here. So 1424, that was the low today. And 1587, we're still not too far. So tomorrow we can play, if you want to play this one, 1590. I'm already long, so but it's not too late. It is too late. It's 1650 after hours. Damn.
Ooh, jeez.
So now look at the month, look at the weekly, and this is what we're going. We have seen this. If you don't know how to use the other one, the monkey bars, don't bother. I mean, we can see it here. Pretty simple. You see, it's accumulation. This is what we're seeing. Once we go unbalanced, I expected to hit 1924, and after 1924, if you really want to be aggressive, you go to a 26. So guess what my target is? 26. So I go.
That's a nice swing.
Yeah, it is a very nice swing. So Occidental. Just because of the pattern, if you remember the pattern that we discussed last time, this is similar, right? Like 3 or 4 days. In this case, it's 3 or 4 weeks. That has been 5 weeks actually. That has been bottoming. So we have a 5-week formation, bottoming formation. So that can be something. So over 16, we go 19, target 1, and 25, target 2. She's like a gap fill. Okay. Let's go back to the XOM, a little different. It's a V shape. You know, I don't like V shapes that much because I have to chase. So for that one, I have exposure, but it's minor exposure. My exposure is less than the Oxy, okay?
There was a question on XOM from eMoney. When you see lower volume on today's move, does that make you feel the move may be stalling?
What was the volume today in XOM?
Look.
Let me see. XOM did
33 million.
But that's 0.95%. That's pretty much normal, right? I know compared to the, yeah, it all depends on where you have the moving average for that one.
Yeah, mine's 30.
Yours is 30. Your average, right?
So it'd be 65%.
Wow. Yeah, I'm seeing 65%. What I have as far as relative volume, it was 93. So it goes longer time frame. I have another measure which is like longer time frame. So basically, what it evens out the last volatility. So for me, it's 60 million, and I saw it like still like at 93. So how do we read that? It's not impressive, and it's not for a breakout. So today was not the day to play it as a breakout. Okay, that's the best thing I can say to you. Like today, that was not in play, and that's not a play that you want to be buying on a breakout. So basically, you don't want to be doing this at 43.39, right? If you're thinking that you like the stock, you should be buying into 42, into support. You don't want to be chasing this, basically. So your entry, what I'm trying to say is like when you have that volume, you don't want to wait for this to take the high. Like buying a 43.33, I won't do that, right? I'd rather go like on a pullback to VWAP around here, 42, or if you really like it, you can buy it at 41.70. Why? Because you're not even taking the prior day's high. So that's my entry, 42. That's how I enter swings a lot of the times. Okay? That's a little different, right? But so problem that we have is now we're going 44.68. So we're en route to target 50, what did I say in XOM? 47.5, right? 47.5, 62.
47.5 and then 53.
47.5 and 53. Yeah, it's right there. We just got to move like 10%, which is like nothing. Okay, so what else do we have? We got
City.
City. What pattern? Yeah, it's setting up. I think somebody posted last time, and I say I like it, but then we have the massive pullback in the market. Here's when we have to, guys. This is when we gotta be very, absolutely so focused, so we don't lose this, right? Here's something that we can all learn about. Last couple weeks, we said we have the drop, we have the pullback to the moving average, right? And I draw this for you. What I want to see is we coming down and we don't test the lows. If we don't test the lows, we got to be looking to buy stuff that we like, right? So in that sense, look what Citibank did. I mean, are you going to be buying 37.50 on a red day? No, probably not. But if you really like it, this is your entry, 40, right? And if you really, really like it, just wait for this one. You see that's my alarm right there. So I don't have anything on the banks just yet. I got 47.5. Once we go over 47.5, now is that the best chart? Not really. Bank of America. Let's see Bank of America. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, but today the day was for the regionals. So don't forget about the regionals. So Bank of America looking a little better. Yes. Now, what can we do with Bank of America? BAC, let me try and see if, yeah, we're already far from 2180. Problem here, Hassan, is I don't know when to buy. I don't know what to buy. The best thing I can think about is probably in here. Once we clear 24.40, trying to close the alligator right here and go to 27. So 24 to 27, that's 10%. Not my favorite play, to be honest. We were watching with Eduardo H. Bang, And that was a double bottom formation that we did. And accumulation, I can show you right here. Accumulation happened right here. So your entry was over $8 and it's up 10% on the day. So don't forget about the regionals too, because some of them may be having a better pattern. So let's see this one. If it's too late, I don't think it's too late. I'm still looking at 9 right here. There's nothing right here as far as volume. So this was like pretty much free falling. So we can see 11, right? Play it, size it according to your rules, right? But watch this one. If we start getting 9, 8, 8, 8, 90, 9, we can go 11 on H-Bank, okay?
Careful with the options on that one.
Yeah, careful with the options, that one. That's not the best with options. What else we have?
BAC, Twitter?
Yeah, BAC already did.
Okay.
Yeah, check UNH now. So what happened with Twitter? We have it today. This has some news, I think it was.
Yeah, one of the bears backed off. Bernstein, I think, switched to bull. So could have been the news. And then the donation from Dorsey.
Yeah, donation. I don't know what's going to happen. So basically, this is what I have. I have it here, and then came back, pulled back, and today I was looking to break over here, and I think we played before, right? Because when we start seeing now, what did I see early that we liked? We saw this bearish formation basically getting negated, right? That was it. So that was an entry, and if you're holding, you're good. I'm not, but I called a price of 30, I think is what I posted in the topics, right? For target. Right. So this one should be looked at tomorrow. Only
second day play.
Yeah, let me see, because we have good volume today, right? 120%. So that's a little over average. So let's see how it looks. I like this. I like the way it closed. I like the way it closed. But we need to go over high, 28.50. Otherwise, I'm not playing it. And the green one, we have to move, 28.50. There you go. So that's my new green. That's the momentum one. Otherwise, it's just, we will need a secondary entry, secondary formation. Why? Because I'm not buying. I mean, guys, this is the other one you got to take into account. We moved from 22 to 28, 6 points. That's a 30% move in 4 days. So unless you really see big momentum coming in and breaking to new highs, that's not my go-to trade. That is not. Okay? Yeah, that's a green one. That's a green one. The green one is the momentum, UNH. That looks good so far. That has to do, does that have to do anything with Bernie Sanders being out of the race? I don't know. Because I don't know if he's pro. I know Elizabeth Warren was giving them a hard time. So this is interesting from here. Look at this. Look at this chart. So we have the biggest volume around here, 247. We have value zone into 272. So once we clear, actually, look where we stop, 267.4. 267.4. Give me just 1 second. 267.4. Monthly looks good. Weekly, 267.4. And I think we stalled right there, right? The daily looks great. Great formation. That's a bullish formation. And I think this is good, guys. I think this one, I like this one actually. Yeah, I kind of like it.
Earnings next week.
That's something then. That's something now. Earnings next week. we got an MA right here, 258. That's a 200. We cross the 50 again, 270. Those are all positives. I like that we're almost getting out of the range right here, 271. You can see 290. Target is not huge, but I mean, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, what else we have? Come on, let's find a
Facebook.
let's find a beautiful chart. Huh. This is what I like about Facebook. I had faith in it today. Okay, look at the volume right here. So we sold off the market crap, whatever it is, but look at the volume where we're coming here. So we're coming into 175. This is why I was like so worried that they were gonna run it all the way to 180. Okay, so basically close where we close today. As long as we stay over there, I'm bullish. Okay, I'll go bearish if we go 69. Okay, so for Facebook it's gonna be easy because we are at the what we call, this is a monthly point of control. Okay, that means at the monthly chart with 5 years of data, this is where the most volume has been taking place. Okay, now let's look at the weekly. So what happened in the weekly, and this is where I love it, this is why I have it today, 168. You see right there. So we cleared the volume right here. We should have some trouble into the 178, which was target one for today, right? And then we go into probably 186, 190, not a problem. We can go 190, 186, 190. So that's the play with Facebook. If you come to the daily chart, you can see the same levels. They will differ like by 2 or 3%, like I'm sorry, by 2 or 3 points. So 181, 184, you should be able to take it. Okay. So Facebook is a continuation momentum pattern over 175 to target 178, scalp 184 if you're thinking of swinging. Okay. And 192 should be the last one, which is the 200 MA. Let me know if you guys agree. Let me know if you guys are sure, because I want to hear if I'm wrong. Remember, I'm just playing odds right here and just pretending that I know what I'm doing. So just, make sure that if you don't agree, if you think Facebook is a short, let me know, please, because that's something that I can use. AMD. What do we like about AMD? Pullback. Strong,
over 50.
Over 50. Yep, over 50. Yep. This is simple, actually. This is pretty simple. You just want to make sure that we have volume when we break over 50. So plain and simple, over 50, AMD. When do we get bearish AMD? Just for fun.
Wow,
Nope.
That's kind of tough. Not till like 42.
That looks horrible. Yeah, probably at 42. Yeah. Even 40, 47. I don't know. Yeah. I don't want to be, I was just trying to mess up with your head, with your brains, guys. So, yeah. On the 44, on the 45, on the 47, it all depends on how aggressive you are, right? Yeah. So you don't want to lose this. I'll say you don't want to lose 45.
46.
Yeah, 46. Oh yeah, that's 46. You don't want to lose it, because then you're starting the chop again, and basically you're going sideways. So you don't want to trade it. Make sure it's over 50. And by the way, disclosure, I don't like trading AMD. That's one of my least favorite. Okay, what else do we have in here? NVIDIA.
Chips, yeah. Semis.
Wow, NVIDIA didn't recover from yesterday. Didn't know that. That's not good. That is not good. Let's see. Why is that stock right there? We got the 250 that we like. We got the 255 right here, which is a break of this platform. We can call it like that. So we're into 261, but I don't know why it was just bad price action, and it was on big volume too. So that makes me think actually about NVIDIA. NVIDIA under 255, under 250. Or aren't we shorting anymore? We can short, right? 255, 250, 240. Why not? NVIDIA under 255, under 250, 240. Right? We go 278, you know what to do. Just flip it. Simple, right? Because now what you had is like you deleted this massive red bar. So there's a green line right there. The green line stays because that's still when I get bullish NVIDIA over 278, right? If we don't go up and we're looking for something to short, I think NVIDIA could be it under 255, okay?
Got it.
Yeah, to 240. Now we break 240. Look at that. Yeah, we got space. We got space. That's a nasty chart. I don't like it. I don't like it. And we have a rally today of what, 700 points? NVIDIA did nothing. Well, it went up 3%. It's just the charts, guys. The charts are driving me crazy.
Oh, the other chips in comparison.
Let's see. MU 3. Yeah, but look where he closed it, right? Look at AMD where he closed. NVIDIA is more like Intel. No, it's graphics, right? And it's servers. Intel didn't, look at the Intel. I don't know, guys. This is interesting, actually. Yeah, but Intel doesn't look, I mean, Intel went too far. NVIDIA couldn't break. He tried to break, he failed, and now we're right there. So I'll take a look at NVIDIA. I think it's worth having a 60-minute chart of NVIDIA just to look.
Okay.
Actually, MU looks better. Look at that, because we recovered from yesterday, the green bar, and now we have a base on the 60-minute chart. We can go over 48.70, which is the high of the day. But now target, that's the problem. But I think we can if we have, look at this, we just hold at the massive level. So 48.70 could do. I'm gonna do something else here. Let me just double check see if we extended. They bought it in the 42s. Not my favorite, to be honest. Not my favorite. This is what I'm talking about. Look at NVIDIA. And I'm talking shorting under 255. So I'm talking shorting under this area right here, 255.
Looks good. Mark is saying there were some heavy NVIDIA put sweepers recently.
Yep. Okay, so interesting NVIDIA. Yeah, we gotta check on those. Not to be artificial prop. NVIDIA. Yeah. It's interesting because it's Disney, Tanner, it's already up, man. Take it to 150, 130, 150. You want targets? Target is 111, target 1. That's where we're going today. And we're gonna have some trouble there. I'll be surprised if we don't. Look at this, 112, 113, target 1. Once we go over 115, you clear. So let's do Disney, watch 111, 113. Ideally, we will gap up over 115, but that's not going to happen. So 115 is where we want to go long again. Okay. if you're not already long. Disney, what else? Apple? I thought today was going to be the day for Apple. I really thought so. Big red bar. I like the pullback on the monthly, right? But we didn't buy at 212. That was too fast. Nobody could have gotten it at 212. It was breaking. Remember that day? It was breaking. It closed at 228, 230. That was a massive reversal day. Anyways, so Apple, the weekly looks really good. 266, so we should be bullish this one. But like 260 was the entry, and I think it was yesterday actually. So today was still there, 266. So this could be interesting. I want it to be over. Oh, this is interesting now. 270. Okay, that was the high of prior day. So there's quite some volume in here. If you look at the chart, that's like after what we just cleared, this is the biggest volume right here. So we go over 270. We couldn't break it yesterday, but if we go over 270, this can go. So, and that is right here too. So let me do a drawing because I think this one will be on my watch. Absolutely. So that's a green one. It's a green line. Okay, 270, 280, 290. It all depends on how many iPhones we think is gonna sell. What else, guys? Oh, Uber. Yes, Uber. $29 over 30. That's the actual goal for Uber. If you wanna anticipate, you may do so by buying this breakout from here, 28.50, right? But if we're gonna go with the bigger time frame, it's better to wait till 30.96, right? So I won't wait till 30.36, to be honest. If I want to be in Uber, I want to be in Uber tomorrow. That's where I have my alert right there, 28.62. So I think, yeah, Uber, 28.62, that could be. Remember, for this type of plays, it's a breakout. So for breakouts, make sure that we have the momentum, right? So meaning momentum is the stock is in play, we have the volume, the market is not going to be dropping, the market is going to be with us doing some stupid things like going up 1,600 points in 50 minutes. That's what we want. Okay. So yeah, that's great. I didn't see the entry on there. Yeah, 28.50. Yes. Yes. Uber over 28.50. Good. I like Uber. Yes. What else? USO. I don't know that one. Is that US oil? Yes. I don't know how to trade oil. Well, I'm in Oxy. We already talked about that one, which is a base information bounce, dead cat bounce, you can call it, because I don't think is, well, what I heard about is like Oxy is not in good shape, but if you can bounce 5 points, I don't care. I'll take it. Then I'll sell. XOM looks better. I think it's a better company. That's what I heard. And we already talked about this one, right? Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. So JP Morgan, another bank. Wow, guys, you guys, a lot of guys, you guys like a lot of the banks and oils and energies. Wow, I'm surprised. I don't like them.
Same.
Right? Look at the chart. It looks horrible. I don't see a pattern, guys. If you force me, I'll be like trade momentum, meaning buy 95 and sell 100, but it's not my go-to. Okay. Etsy. How's the options on Etsy? What do you like about Etsy?
Options are not good.
No good, right? What do you like about Etsy? I don't know. Volume 97%. Do you guys want me to run my scans to see what's up? SKU.
SQ, yeah, Tesla.
There you go. So SQ looks like a Momo trade from here. Problem is I have target at 60, at 64, 60 and 64, right? So can we milk it? I think we could. So just a continuation because the move today was great. But once we clear this, now I have a couple lines right here, 55, right? That's what I have it today. So I'm gonna show you why. It's two levels, right? 46 and 55. So basically it's 55, 44. Over 55, 44, that was where a lot of the volume was made last month. So we should be able to go 60, no problem, 62, likely. But at 62, if you look to your left, look at this, look what we have. So I don't think we got too much as far as target, but 60, 62 is good, right? Yeah, for 5 points. So I'm gonna put SQ as a momentum trade because we gotta have some fun for the guys in the room. 58 to 62, fast. That should do. So SQ, I'm having. Give me just 1 second because I got my scanners right here. TAL, that we don't trade. Guys, just tell me what you want to see and I'll Tesla. Starbucks just got hit. Well, look at that. Tesla, look at that. Look at that. What was the plan last time with Tesla? Because I was so pissed, I know. Last time we wrote
at like 440 you wanted it, I think.
that we wanted to buy it at 440, right? Yeah.
Notes.
Yes. Yeah, I remember now.
And then the other notes
pissed.
were 560 to 680, which looks like it may be still in play.
Hey, disregard when I go crazy like that, guys. Okay, basically what do we have? We have the big move down, pull back to BWAP, to the MA, and we have this, and we failed right here. I know a lot of the guys were trying to short the 450. Guess what? It failed. So this is the move that I wanted. 450 to 550. I think that's what we've been talking all the time, right? 450 to 550.
Right.
So simple. This is actually pretty simple. Here it is.
How about 560 to 680? That's the comment from last meeting.
560 to 680. Yeah, I remember Scuba told me to wait for that, right? It was like, don't cry. Just take it from 560 to 640. It should be all right. Let me see. Let me go to. So we got 556. I don't know if you guys, but that was the high yesterday, right? So 556, 566, 566, and actually, why 580?
560 to 680.
Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, 650. Yeah, cut me some slack over there. 650. Okay, yeah. Let's do. I don't know. I love trading Tesla when it was like in the 200, 300s. Right now, I need a private lesson, Kyle, because I need to know how to enter this thing. Couple hours with you, and I know I'll be okay. So yeah, 560, 565, 566. Will you buy here? 551. Only if we have like a very strong opening in the markets. That'll be my high. Yeah, without taking these highs. Or you just go with the sure thing. There
we go. That looks good.
Look at this. That's, yeah, it's been waiting for us, guys. It's been waiting for us. That's beautiful consolidation near a breakout play. And we go 5, 66.47. Easy. I'm gonna have to do it, man. Yep, I'm gonna have to do it.
Nice.
Yeah. It looks really good. It looks really good. Is it too crazy if I buy 0 DTA 600 tomorrow?
Whew. Whew. I'm not going to comment on that.
Those should be cheap. Let me see how much. Like 600s. Those are going for 40 cents, man.
Oh.
Those could be worth like $40 at the end of the day if we hit it. Anyways.
Yeah,
hey,
that's true. If you want that lotto.
Delete that thing, right? Yeah. Oh, I got you excited, guys. If you do that trade, if you put 40 cents, you make $40. You gotta send me at least $20. Okay.
Hey, let's see the ATV.
I gave you my PayPal. What is it?
ATV. Activision.
Oh my God, this is so frustrating. That stock. I keep saying it. I don't get it. It looked like one. Remember that day that we almost hit? I think we hit the entry, right? 62.50.
Yeah.
And it just drops like out of the blue, 58, and now it's 61. So, I mean, over 63. And they keep saying that they're coming with the greatest game ever, and he's gonna send me an N95. No, bro.
What do we think about the weekly on this one?
It's just dirty, man. Sense that we have a lot of topping tails, like tails to the upside.
Right.
So I get it. It's
so here. Let me 1 sec. What do you think about this right here? Right there. Messy, but you see the idea.
The idea is, I totally get the idea. It's just if you can take those type of moves. I just don't like it. That's one of the things that I don't like. Like I see this chart and I'm like, man, that's Christmas tree all the time.
Yeah.
Right? Like when we were trading, but this is horrible. It's not my favorite. It's like watching Walmart, right? I think it's the same. Look at that. I'm pretty sure it's a trade. If you look enough, you're gonna find a trade over there in Walmart. I don't want to do it. Costco. Look at that. I don't want to trade that one either. By the way, it's gapping down 299, so 294. So we're still in the same range. Guys were asking about Starbucks, and Starbucks. Oh, they say they got some news, but I think they bought it already. It's $69, $70. So I heard some news, but it looks like it was nothing. So Starbucks is $72.50 if you want to trade it. I'm just not loving this type of, unless
Roku?
I have Roku.
It's been a while.
It's been a while and he's waiting for us. It didn't do what the market's doing. You see? So it's actually showing us a little bit of a weakness. What do you think? Will you short it? Let's see.
Yeah, that one's tough. I like playing 80 or maybe 100.
If you're thinking long?
Or short.
Or
if
short.
I'm going to short, I'm probably
80.
looking at 80, yeah.
Yeah. But keep in mind, yesterday was a red bar, and today was also sort of a bearish bar, right? Formation. They try to rally to 92. So actually what we have right here, if you guys like to trade Roku, we can go into, and I did it this morning for, I think that the couple trades that I posted, I went to the 15-minute chart, right? Only reason I'm going to the 15-minute chart is because the move is so big that I can make money if I get the 15-minute chart right. So look what we have right here. So we got 87, 45. You can look at that. And probably over 93. I'm talking about alarms, right? Setting it up.
Right.
That's it. Because what we're thinking is,
We need
what do we
some
say?
volume.
Yeah, it's probably not the best thing, to be honest.
Okay.
I'd be more inclined to look at this as a probably short candidate. How? Playing it like really early, like a break on the 60-minute chart under 85 and then under 80. 85 is very aggressive, guys, so please keep it tight. Under 80 or 80 support. So you know that's going to be something, right? We don't break 80, we buy at 80. But I'm not buying 90 for sure.
Okay.
That I don't want to do. What else we have, guys? Amazon, you guys trade Amazon. Look at that, beautiful.
Yeah.
So that's a green line. We crossed it, I think it was Monday, 2000. Yeah. Yesterday gave us a hard time, and today you're off to the races and you have nothing to worry about, I think. Yep, 2048, 2050, 2100.
2100. Over 2050. Yep. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, shouldn't be a problem. We got the Facebook, we got Marvell. Let me see. I don't know how that works. eBay. I'm just going through my quick scanner to see if I find anything interesting.
How about Zoom?
Short. Zoom. That's the levels I posted today, right? I posted 118, 112.
Yes.
So I think he gave a really good trade in the afternoon. Not sure. Okay, I know what I was seeing here in Zoom. Problem is, I don't know why I have a different chart right here. Let me share with you guys some of the chart. Check this chart. So that's what we're dealing with, right? So we got the 120 to the up and we got the 112. And this is massive volume. So once we break 110, we go. We close 117. No, that's after hours. We close 112. So I'm looking at 110. I think I posted today, but I have a range between 112 and 118. I'm gonna keep that range. Okay.
No, we closed 117, by the way.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, we bounced, right?
Yeah, like pretty much right off your 112.
Okay, so let's see. Yeah, 117.81, of course. Yeah, I've seen now. So let me see the 60 then. Okay, now the 15. Wow, that was horrible. But that was the news, right? That was the news about Google?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was some news. So, yeah, that was not in my game plan because the trigger was right at the open, the 118 that I was looking for. So basically what I was thinking is this area right here that I have 118, 112 is like daily support, right? A lot of volume right here. There's a lot of volume right here. So if you want to trade this one, trade it from the 15-minute chart. Basically, this is support now because we're over. So you can use this as support. So you can go 120 to 125. If we go under 118, you do exactly the same thing right here. 118, 112. Now, if we break 110, now that's a good play. That's a play that I want. Okay. Reason being, because once we clear this, 108 is off. 100. So that's a 10%.
Okay, nice. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Good volume today.
Good volume, yeah. The action is horrible.
Yeah, and it's tough to trade.
It's
It's
not.
not an easy one.
How's the options on that one? That was news, right?
Spready. Yeah,
Spready.
spready.
You guys got pins that we're talking yesterday about it. Yeah, it's not one that I love.
Boeing?
Yeah. Boeing. Let's see Boeing. Let me see 1 second. I'm running another scan right here. BA. Okay, this one, guys. This is the one that I wanted to bring to your attention. And this is what I want you guys to be aware of. If you don't want to do it, at least help us keep track of this. So we got the market doing this. We came back to the moving average again. We came right here. And look at the difference between Boeing and the other ones. Boeing tested the 120 that we talk about one day. And the following day, it waited for us. So that's 2 days. You see? Most of the other stocks, they just blasted off, right? So I like this one. That was the moment to buy it. And this is the moment to sell it. Right into the moving average. That was yesterday, 158. So that's a 38. That's a 20% moving a couple days, actually. So for now, Boeing remains into my watch list. But I want to see, I need a pattern now. And I don't have a pattern for Boeing. If I need, let me just rephrase that because I want to go into the longer time frames because I still think Boeing can be saved, so it's not going to go bankrupt. So this is what I'm looking for. Look at this, guys. 164, probably 167 will be my next trade in Boeing if we don't fall, right? If we don't fall. So 167, I'll be looking at Boeing over 167. This is for more like an intra to trade, intra to swing, I'm sorry. So this is what I love about Boeing. I've talked to you guys about the alligator mouth or whatever. What it means is that there's a lot of space. And remember, this is the gator mouth. So what I'm talking about is 167, 180, even 180. I don't mind. We can see 240 as target one, 320 wow. Target two. So you have to be on Boeing, guys. Just make sure that you get a good entry. That's all. Okay. So we said 167 over 180 in case we miss the first entry, but I please don't let me lose that one because I really want to be in that one. Okay.
Got it.
240, 320. So that should be a great buy. That's the main idea with Boeing. If we go to the other time frames. Oh, we just saw we just saw the monthly. So we basically doing the monthly, and then we're looking for an entry right here. Let me just double check this one for fun, just for fun, and let's see if it confirms what I'm talking about. 176. Okay, yeah, we say 180, right? So 176 could be an aggressive entry, but 180. So I'm gonna do it right there. It's just an alarm, so make sure that we know exactly where we're heading. And this could be like around here. 180 will be here. 240, it's this zone right here, and the 320 is the other zone right here. Okay, so yes, I'm looking to this one. I want to do leaps for sure. Yeah, Hassam, yes, looking for leaps. Like what's leaps? Like January next year? No, 20. Sorry, 21.
9 months or more.
So 9 by 30, that's 270, 282. Okay, 282 days. So you can go as crazy as you want. You can buy in the money, you can buy out of the money, you can buy, I'll probably buy the 200s for close to $2,000 each. Okay, so that's something. Let me know what you're doing. I wanna hear what you're doing. I wanna strategize with you guys. So if you send me like, hey, God, Mario, I wanna do the the leaps in BA, and we can just put together. We ask to Kyle, and we can ask the guys that know a little bit more than us about how to structure that trade. That's what I call a structured trade, right? That's something that we want to be in. We don't want to be here next year by the summer and Boeing is at 340 and we didn't make any money, or we make like a couple scalps, right? I want to be like sitting in some nice profit, right? So this is one that I want to strategize. So feel free to email me, text me, DM me, whatever you want to do with one of those trades. If you want to do something with stock that we don't follow, that that hasn't had the fundamentals or whatever, it's not in the news, it's just okay. McDonald's, what happened with McDonald's? Has some news also. 176, I don't know, 183. Okay. I'm sorry, Kyle, what would you say? You said?
Nope, didn't say anything.
Oh, Microsoft. Yes. Okay, so Microsoft. Horrible trading yesterday. I don't like the sell-off yesterday, but if we go 168, it's interesting. It's back to being interesting. Actually, 168 comes from this little pick right here yesterday. So I'll be willing to play the 15. 168 over 170, off we go. Okay? And target should be 175, target 1.
Got it.
And 185, target 2. So Microsoft. 168 if you want, or place an alarm at 168. You can always buy it at 170.50, no big deal. If you're going for 175, it doesn't make a difference if you buy it one or the other. So 175 and then 185.
Let's check target.
Microsoft. I like Microsoft, guys. I like it. Yeah, it's just yesterday was such a bad day, man.
That was the whole market.
I know, but it kills like a lot of my, that's what I don't like. I'm like my charts, they don't look nice. Right? They messed up my charts. I mean, this should have been like a green bar, and then we have, jeez, man. Freaking algos. Target.
There we go.
What do we see? Nice poop. Guys, you're killing me. Go to your notes from last meeting. Target, $90. We said if we break 90, we go for 80. If we don't break 90, we buy it, right?
Yeah. Nice move.
Look. This is what I hunt for, guys. If you want to make me happy, send me one of this when he's right here, of course. Yeah, don't send it when he's like 14 points already up. But you see the volume right here that we have. Like, yeah, I understand. It's looking horrible at 90, and you feel like you want to short it because you know the momentum is to the downside and you can make 1 point. I understand that. I totally get it. But when you get stopped in your short, send me an email, send me a text and says, hey, by the way, the 90 that you were looking for, now you can buy it. I just got stopped. And that's the trade I won. Look at that, man. That was 1, 2, 3. When was that? Friday? Yeah, that was Friday.
Yeah, nice.
That was Friday. Let me see how that's, look at this. Okay, let me show you something, guys. Because I know you posted something similar in media, right, Kyle? Everybody's looking at that, right?
Oh, right. Yep.
Everybody want to short that 90, right? You don't need to call me even a 90. You can call me a 92, right? This is our trade. And by the way, it's not that we're picking a bottom. This is not that we're picking a falling knife or that we put in a lotto or whatever. No. When you see it in a 50-minute chart, I promise you that day you're gonna be like, these guys are crazy. Why are they buying this here, right? Because you gotta do the work, guys. If you know where you are, market structure, you know that you're near support level, massive support level, right? Can it be broken? Yes, it can be broken. So guess what? I'm gonna be waiting for 88, or I'm gonna be waiting for 86. Now, if we break that, I get it. We go 70. That's what we said, right? But yeah, I like it. And guess where we came back, by the way? 101. So let me show you something, guys, because I know a picture is worth a little bit more. Can you see the trade now? Trade is over for now. Like,
wow,
that strategy, it's over for now. We did exactly what we did here.
In like 2 days, 3 days.
Yep. In like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days actually. And this is the thing, guys. This is the first time that I heard about Target. I know we had it last week, but I totally forgot about it. My bad. I totally forgot about this. You know, we didn't. You know why? Look at this. I had it at 85.94. So 85, 80, 89.54. So it never actually triggered.
Man.
Almost get it. But this is why we gotta do a lot of what is it, chart work. So Target is gone.
CRM.
Yeah, 110. Yes, 110 is the following leg. Yeah, but you'll be buying 20. You'll be paying 23% more. So yes, for me, it's a different. The other one was like you buying support. Now you're playing momentum, right? You're playing the continuation. You're assuming that the market is going to continue soaring. If the market continue going higher and it's going to go to new highs and everything, that's fine. So, but like what I like to say, like the low hanging fruit is gone. It looked harder, but when you think about it, it was not that hard. CRM, wow, that's old. Broke to new highs. Look where my green line is. I haven't looked at this in a long time. So I think that one's gone. CRM, look at this. I like it over 163, not before. Based on volume right here. I don't want to get involved with this thing while it's crossing 151. Look at this. It's a lot of volume. It's a lot of volume. It looks like it's not that much, but you know, the way we see it, we can see it right here graphically. There was a lot of like, this is an area.
Range.
It's a range. So it took it like months and months, July from August till like almost a year to break out to new highs and then crap. So 160, 162. Yeah, let's put alarms. 162. So we start looking at that because eventually it's gonna get good. 168. I don't think. Oh, okay. 168. Yeah, 168. I don't think it's gonna disappear. I know it's when everything comes back to normal. So we can even do an alarm at the 200 just to watch it, 159. But this is what I don't know. You were that clear on that one, Kyle. I want it over this zone. Okay.
Right. Got it.
I think it's what we saw in Facebook, right? Yeah. You see, we're a little over. CRM was still under. So that could be some potential resistance. So if you're looking for a momentum trade like fast, that's what I like. Stop the moves. That's what I want. CCL, Carnival Cruise Lines. You should have bought with the Saudi Arabian guys, man. So 1244. I like it over 13. Oh my God, this is such a beautiful trade. Gotta love it, man. Look at this. Over 1450. Over 18. Alligator mouth. I don't know how far it's gonna go. 30. So yeah, I'm long CCL, by the way. So over 1470 over 18. Target 125, target 230. This is news driven, so make sure you know what you're, yeah, Saudis, man. So this was like picking a knife, the falling knife. So this is something that, you know, I do every now and then. That's my lotto. This is my kind of lotto plays. I'll show you why we never broke the low. So I was looking for a stop around here. So I was looking for the same pattern that I look, like the W right here. We didn't have it. I had a big red bar, and then the following day, guys, this is what's going on. If you can get anything from this meeting, look at the bar right here. Okay? Look at the volume. What is that telling you? Right. I want to read at least one comment. Big red bar. Following day, big volume, small bar. What is that telling you? Potential. Yep. Right? If the prior day they sold 200 million shares and it just dropped like a rock, you're telling me that the following day somebody or somehow 300 million shares just changed hands and didn't move? And then the next day they buy another 150,000 shares and it doesn't move? Right? That's interesting, right? So yeah, those are special situations. That's basically chart reading. That's what you gotta be doing. And if you happen to be fast, that you see that move and that lack of movement with that huge volume, then you come into the other tool that I use, and then you see all the accumulation right here, right? Between 826 and 912, 913, and that's your entry. You buy over 913, which was Monday actually, and you hope that we're gonna hit at least the 1454. Once we clear 1540, actually change that 1470. I wanna do 1540 as an entry, as an ad. 1540, then we can think that we're gonna hit 18 right here, and then 20, 20 something, okay? But that's something, this is called an anomaly. This doesn't happen. This is not supposed to happen. Biggest volume with the smallest chart in the freaking chart. Somebody put a buy order. If you don't know how to do that, ask any guy that has been work as a broker, and you will understand how it works. Okay? You just don't throw your order right there. You just gotta work it the whole day. Try to enough to move it so you can get the price that they told you that they want to pay. So RCL, I think it's sympathy, probably. I think it's sympathy. And Norwegian was amazing today too. But I think is that NCLH? So that one, this is exactly what I was expecting from CCL when I was stalking. So now you know what I'm doing when there's no scalping or intraday trading. This is what you should be doing. You should be looking at charts and finding opportunities to make money, right? Okay, because there's always something going on all the time, right? So what happened is we didn't even make a new low, and that was Monday, right? And that was probably news of the Saudis. So this is just likely to be sympathy. Okay. Kyle, you're there? Because I haven't heard you know. Okay, good.
Yep.
I'm just scared that don't fall asleep on me, man. Okay.
These are my plays, so
No, but do you see the candle that they? It's amazing.
I like it.
It's amazing, man. This is like picture perfect.
Yeah, technicals are good.
Technical, it's amazing. Okay, NCLH, same is bottoming. If you want to play, if you don't think that, if you think they're gonna survive, you know. CCL, I won't do leaps, Hassan. I won't do leaps. No, because if anything is gonna come out of this, I mean, if you playing the leaps, now we're playing a different game, right? We're talking fundamentals, and they're gonna come back, and everybody's gonna jump into new cruises to Bahamas, and everything's gonna go back to normal. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but for now, if we get the momentum or another momentum day, we can probably ride it for, I don't know, 5 points. 5 points is 50%. You know, we wait the whole year for Apple to go up 30%, and then we're throwing a party. So this thing can move 30%, 50%, 100% in a couple days. So, hey, Doc. Okay, see you tomorrow, man. I think you got plenty of ideas so far. So what else we have?
Just FYI, we got about 5 more minutes or so.
5 more minutes, guy. What's the last question? Throw me something good, something that we're missing. Netflix, probably. Beyond. How about Beyond? We haven't seen Beyond in a while. Let me see.
No volume.
There's no volume, man. You just, you know, when I'm gonna start looking at Beyond when we go over 81 again. By the way, I don't want to try to pick a bottom on this one, but when we go back 78, 80, 81, I'm gonna start doing the, so you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna tell you is an alligator again. Look at this, 80 to 109. Yeah, it's a 30% move, and that should be any news, right? Like,
right.
So yeah, but it's look at the base they put. By the way, that's the same place where they make the big run. 74 to 133. So I just put the alarm right there. You said what? Beyond and
AAL Airliners.
That one I was expecting to do something like the cruise lines. The problem is that it went a little below. So technically, it's not that good that you made the new low. It's gapping up 1207. You can buy it over 20, over 13. That's where I have my alarm. But I was expecting it to hold. Basically, I mean, disclosure, full disclosure, guys. This is what I had. This is my plan for AAL, right? So I had it low, came back here, and I was expecting this to hold, right? This was Monday. We broke. We never cleared 9, so we back into this, right? So I went long today, right? That's why I had it right here. That's why I have all the things. So I'm thinking we should go 16, 15, 16, right? This is less than perfect. Why? Because we made the new low. Hopefully this is like a trap that they have. Why do I go today? Because they have a green bar with solid, I mean, a lot of volume yesterday, right? And I know it sold off, but it was the market. So I want to say, okay, it's the market. Today we have a green day, and tomorrow we're going to have a gap up. So as long as we clear this 1220, and we don't break 1050, I'm willing to take it all the way to 15 and 19. But this is a highly, I mean, this is a lot of play, guys. So know what you're doing, okay, guys? Probably there's another airline with a better chart. Let's see, Delta didn't make a new low, but I don't see the green one right there. What's the other one? Oh, you know which one's good? Love, Save, Spirit. Yeah, Spirit is better. Yeah, now I remember that I was doing some chart work on this one. Look at this one. I like this one better. 1348.15. So now we're talking that we have some accumulation here. Okay, likely accumulation. We didn't make a new low, so I like it better. And now we're gapping up to 1305. So 1340, we're gapping. This could be fun, guys. 1350. I like this one better. Ed, Save. Yeah. Spirit. I like it. Yes. Let me just double check this other chart pretty fast. Yes. Look at this. So what we're playing is, yes. I like it. 13 to 1585. How about we do that tomorrow? If we stuck. So save 1340 to 1580. That'll be sweet, man. 20% tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I can wait for 20%. I'll wait. So yeah, I like save. What's the other one? Spirit? No, love. This is Southwest. No, we don't have the volume. We don't have the accumulation. This is difference, guys. See the difference?
Mm.
So I don't want to do that. I want to do this one. Right? That's all.
Nice.
Okay, so what? Oh, Baidu.
Baidu, last one, Baidu.
I like Baba better. Anyways, Baidu under 95. Right? Wasn't that the play today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't set up.
It didn't set up, right? But if we set up 95, yeah, if you want to go contrarian, you can buy 95. But you have a clear range between 95 and I'll say 100, 95 and 100. We drop 95, you go short. I had Baba, that's the one I posted, but that was a short too. I was looking to short it. Still short, but the problem
This
is
one's
that
kind of messy.
it is messy. Yeah, we were talking with Kyle before we started this. The problem is that when I scanned it and I saw it last night, this is what I saw. So I had it at 190. At 190, I was like making 2-day lows. So I was like, oh, we're going. And then today they just got, this is the market, you know, they move it 90 to 98 after hours. So that's just I put an X on that one. I was like, I don't want to deal with that. But 190 is still good reference point for this one because it's right here. Look at this. So yeah, probably Baidu better. Okay, guys.
All right. Thank you, Mario.
Hey, appreciate it. Thanks for your time, guys. And keep the alarms. Keep us posted, please.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, the more we share, the more money we make. See you guys tomorrow. Okay?
See you in the morning. Bye.
Okay, ciao. Bye.